Potholes Road Project. Project location: Kuwait-Iraq border, Al-Abdaly. Project title: Remediation of 553 potholes on a 20 km highway, classified as a high-risk safety hazard. Execution plan: the 20 km highway was divided into 12 sections to repair 553 potholes systematically. Repairs were done at night with no full closures, reopening each section within 6 hours while maintaining strict safety protocols. Reject duration: the entire project was successfully completed within 12 days. 25-year deteriorated highway. The highway exhibits intensive pothole damage, with potholes occurring approximately every 100 meters. The highway exhibits multiple forms of road damage, including widespread potholes, extensive cracking, rutting, and surface delamination. Inspection team. These hazardous potholes can cause vehicles to lose control, posing a serious risk of severe accidents and fatalities. The inspection team is assessing and documenting all types of road damage. Start of work. All road signs and signals were implemented to ensure safety, maintain traffic flow, and achieve rapid, high-quality results. Each pothole was cleaned of dust and loose debris using a high-pressure air compressor to ensure a clean surface before priming. PMCOBD, a modified Eber polymer, was applied across the entire pothole to seal and bond the asphalt surface with the microcementitious polymer modified compound PMCOPH. 2 mobile trucks were deployed for on-site material supply and equipment mixing to ensure rapid application and quality assurance. PMCOPH is a ready-to-use mixed proportionally with water. PMCOPH is a pre-blended screed composed of hydraulic binders, specially graded aggregates, high organic polymer additives, and reinforcing fibers. It is engineered for thick bed applications ranging from 1 mm to 100 mm. Pothole depth from 6 to 8 centimeters. Pothole filling and flushing with street level. PMCOPH is a ready-to-use mixed proportionally with water. PMCOPH is a pre-blended screed composed of hydraulic binders, specially graded aggregates, high organic polymer additives, and reinforcing fibers. It is engineered for thick bed applications ranging from 1 mm to 100 mm. Road cracks. PMCORC is a ready-to-use mixed proportionally with water. PMCORC is a pre-blended screed composed of self-leveling hydraulic binders, specially graded aggregates, high organic polymer additives, and reinforcing fibers. It is engineered for cracks 10 to 30 and width up to 100 mm depth. Troweling and leveling. Quality Control Team. Engineering and Supervision Team. Pothole repairs completed, each section reopened within 6 hours. The 20 km pothole repair project was successfully completed within a 12-day timeframe.